Byers, business and success coach, here with you to talk for just a couple minutes on the important topic of asking empowering questions. See, so often in coaching, people approach me with lots of what I would call disempowering questions, right? They come up and they say, why can't I do this? Why don't I ever get money? Why this? And these are questions that honestly take your mind in a very viral loop into your past to try to answer the question. Disempowering, it leaves you with no answers, frustrated, stuck in a viral loop. So what is an empowering question? Well, it's one that inspires you. It leads to action, and your brain can come up with answers. So empowering questions start with questions like how? How can I earn an extra $1,000 a month? Well, that's something that you can come up with an answer. It's solution oriented, it's motivating. You can even take that and break it even smaller. What are 4 ways I could earn an extra $250 a month? These are empowering questions, those questions that ask with how. Another question is what? What could I do to better serve my clients? What could I do to improve my relationship? These again are empowering questions. So I wrote a newsletter about that this week. If you are not yet subscribing to Prosper in All Things, go to prosperinallthings.com. Check out that newsletter, and let's talk about asking ourselves different questions. Change the question, change your life. Again, I'm Brenda, business and success coach, sharing with you a few key thoughts on having a better life, prospering in every area.